What if I told you that in 2025, the easiest way to start making real money online doesn't require a college degree, a powerful computer, or even more than a couple of hours a week? That you could build a repeatable system, a stack, that takes you from $0 to your first $1,000 per month using free or low-cost AI tools that do most of the heavy lifting for you. This isn't theory. This is happening right now. Ordinary people, students, parents, freelancers, even retirees are stacking income streams using ChatGPT, Canva, InVideo, Google Sheets, and a little strategy. And if you're watching this video, you're about to learn exactly how to do it too. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete AI-powered income blueprint, built for beginners, and scalable for anyone serious about earning in 2025. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button right now and join the AI Hustle Hub, your go-to channel for real, repeatable AI income strategies. Let's break it down step by step. Phase 1, $0, $100, get paid fast, your first win. In the beginning, your only goal is this: prove to yourself that making money online is real, not from surveys or sketchy websites, but by providing real value with the help of AI. Here's how you do it. Start with a simple service anyone can offer: social media content packages. Go on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups for small business owners. Offer to create 10 social media captions with matching visuals. Use ChatGPT to generate the captions. Just give it a short brand description and target audience. Then head over to Canva, use their Magic Write and brand templates, and boom, you've got polished content in 30 minutes. Charge $25, $50. If you deliver fast and it looks good, you'll likely get repeat orders. This is your first proof of concept, and it's one of the easiest entry points into the AI freelance game. Another quick win: AI-written product descriptions for Etsy or Amazon sellers. Search for Etsy stores that clearly need better descriptions. Trust me, there are thousands. Offer them a package deal. Use ChatGPT to rewrite or enhance their copy in seconds. Offer 10 rewrites for $20. $30, you can crank this out in under an hour. And don't overlook Google Sheets plus AI templates. People love organization tools. Use ChatGPT to help you build a budgeting spreadsheet, fitness tracker, or content planner. Use Gumroad, Etsy, or Ko-fi to list it. Share it in relevant forums or TikTok posts. These products can start generating passive sales while you sleep. The goal here isn't to build an empire, it's to flip the mental switch. Once you make that first $50 or $100 from something AI helped you create, the game changes. Phase 2, $100, $500, build repeatable systems. Automation phase. Now that you've made money, it's time to level up. We don't want to trade time for money forever. We want systems. Enter AI content automation. Let's say you're good at writing or curating content. Use ChatGPT to draft blog posts, then use InVideo AI to turn them into fully produced videos. Choose a voice, set the theme, and let the AI add stock footage, transitions, and captions. These videos can be uploaded to YouTube, monetized with affiliate links, and repurposed across TikTok, Reels, and Pinterest. A blog post equals 1 video equals 3 shorts equals 10 pins. That's how you build a content ecosystem that feeds itself. Offer this as a service too. Market yourself as a content repurposing specialist for busy creators and small brands. Use AI to turn long-form content into short-form gold. Offer packages starting at $100. You just need 3-5 monthly clients to hit the $500, $1,000 range. Another smart stack: AI branding kits. Use Looka or Brandmark to generate logo ideas and color palettes. Pair that with Canva templates and deliver a polished brand identity kit. Most startups and solopreneurs don't want to pay a $1,000 agency. They just want something clean and fast. You can charge $75 to $200 for this type of bundle, and AI helps you complete it in under an hour. This phase is all about automation and positioning. You're not just a freelancer anymore. You're a creator with digital tools, doing the heavy lifting. Phase 3, $500, $1,000, stack, scale, and semi-passive income. You've got traction, now we scale it. This is where you build assets, not just services. The first step: productize your knowledge. Take the service you've been doing, whether it's social media content, templates, scripts, or branding, and turn it into a product. For example, if you've made dozens of content calendars with ChatGPT, bundle your best prompts, templates, and Canva assets into a 30-day AI content pack and sell it for $15 to $25 on Gumroad or Etsy. Do the same for email sequences, business name generators, landing page templates, anything. One-time work becomes an ongoing income stream. Promote your products using TikTok, Pinterest, and Reels. These platforms are perfect for quick visual how-tos like, here's how I make $25/day selling AI templates I created in 15 minutes. Posts like that go viral, and they drive traffic straight to your store. Or lead magnet. Speaking of lead magnets, this is the phase where you want to start capturing emails. Use MailerLite, Behave, or ConvertKit to build a simple 3-email welcome sequence. Offer something free like 20 ChatGPT prompts for small businesses, and then you sell your digital products in email. Now, you've got an ecosystem. Traffic from shorts, TikToks, and pins. Pin lists growing daily. Traffic from streaming platforms. Pinterest, online and off of autopilot. Affiliate links earning passively pins on retainer. You're not just doing AI side hustles anymore. You're running a micro AI business. The optional power boost. Build your content machine. Want to double your growth? Start documenting your journey. You don't need to show your face. Use AI voiceovers, babe roll, stock video, or simple screen recordings. Film yourself using ChatGPT. Share your favorite Canva trick, walk through how you automate content in InVideo, or schedule posts in Buffer. You're not claiming to be an expert, you're just one step ahead of the person watching. This builds trust, it builds community, and it builds credibility that converts. If you're consistent, YouTube Shorts plus long-form content plus TikTok equals exponential growth. Pair that with a solid CTA to your store, affiliate links, or newsletter, and you've got a multi-pigmo, multi-invent stack that feeds itself. Realistic timeline and expectations. Now let's be real. Can you go from $0 to $1,000/month in 7 days? Technically, yes. But for most people, it takes 6 to 12 weeks of focused effort. Here's a reasonable weekly breakdown. Week 1-2, choose your first hustle, templates, content, or services. Make your first $25, $50. Build confidence and workflow speed. Week 3-4, set up digital product pages, Gumroad, Etsy. Create social content or start a TikTok/YT Shorts channel. Test affiliate offers. Week 5-6, add automation, reach $300, $500/month range. Week 7-8, launch 2-3 digital products, optimize social strategy and funnel, HIT $750, $1,000/month, and beyond. The key is consistency, not perfection. You'll pivot, test, and adjust, but you'll keep moving forward. Biggest mistakes to avoid. Trying to master all the tools at once. Stick to 2 or 3 tools max. For most, ChatGPT, Canva, and one automation tool like InVideo or Google Sheets are more than enough. Endless research with no execution. You don't need another course. You need action. Watch this video, then take the first step immediately. Underpricing your services AI makes things faster, but your time is still valuable. Don't charge $5 for what delivers $100 worth of value. Chasing viral instead of solving problems. Focus on making things that help people. The money follows the value. Final stack recap. 2025 AI Side Hustle Blueprint. Here's the full system in 60 seconds. Phase 1. Use ChatGPT plus Canva to sell content services or templates. Hit $100 0 cents fast. Phase 2. Automate with InVideo and offer branded kits, short-form repurposing, or blog-to-video services. Phase 3. Productize your assets. Build a store, launch email automation, layer in affiliate income, build content around your journey for exponential visibility and growth. Do this consistently, and your AI hustle stack goes from a fun side gig to a real income engine. If you found this valuable, don't just scroll away. Take action. Pick one idea from today's video and build on it. That's how it starts. And if you want more plug-and-play scripts, tool stacks, and side hustles that actually work, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub right now. We break down what's working in the world of AI entrepreneurship and how you can start from scratch and scale. This isn't passive dreaming. M-Passive. This is active building with AI as your partner. Your first $1,000 month is waiting. Let's get it.